Do you find living paycheck to paycheck exhausting? Are you unsure about how to manage your money? You're in the correct place then. We'll go over 3 easy ways to start budgeting and manage your finances in 2024 in today's video. Let's get started. Tip 1. Track your expenses. First tip, keep tabs on your spending. Effective budgeting requires knowing where your money is going. Begin by keeping note of all of your expenses, no matter how minor. To monitor your expenditure, use budgeting software such as Mint, YNAB, or even a basic spreadsheet. You'll be shocked to learn how much you're spending on unnecessary items. I promise. Tip 2. Set realistic financial goals. The second piece of advice is to make reasonable financial objectives. Whether you're saving for a vacation, an emergency fund, or debt repayment, having attainable goals will help you stay motivated. Set modest financial goals at first, then work your way up to more ambitious ones. Tip 3. Use the 50-30-20 rule. The third piece of advice is to apply the 50-30-20 rule. This approach to budgeting is straightforward but effective. Set aside 50% of your salary for necessities, such as groceries, utilities, and rent, 30% for wants, such as entertainment and eating out, and 20% for debt repayment or savings. It's a fantastic place for novices to start. Those were 3 simple tips to help you start budgeting like a pro. Remember, budgeting is a journey, not a destination, so take it one step at a time. What's your biggest budgeting challenge? Drop a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-saving tips. See you in the next video.